How to make EA account. First of all, open any browser of your preference and on the web address bar type in ea.com. Press enter on the keyboard. Then after that, click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen or profile button. Then on this page, you need to select the create account button. Then you'll be taken to the create your EA account page where you have to enter your country and date of birth. So you can choose using this arrow. So from this menu box, you can select any country that you reside and select your date of birth, the day, month and the year. Once you have chosen, click on next button and on this section you need to enter your email address. Now enter your EA ID, which is basically the username that you want to enter while creating your username. Then enter the password, which must be 8 to 64 characters, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase and 1 number. So let's enter the password. Then click on next button. If you want to save your password, click on save, otherwise click on never button. Then here you need to check mark this box that says I have read and accept the user agreement and EA's privacy and cookie policy and click on create account button. Then you need to enter the code that has been sent to your email ID. So let's enter. Now click on the next button here and now your EA account is verified and ready to go. So here are your account details. So it is the EA ID and email address. So let's click on finish button. So you have successfully created your EA account.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new and press the notification bell for more updates.